See?
That's cool.
Yeah?
Then you take it off.
You're doing a good job. What's wrong? Don't be shy. You put some more on there.
Don't be shy. Put some more. Put some more.
Use it like it's a paintbrush.
Wow.
Wow.
Maybe more.
Maybe more?
Yeah. Okay, I got more.
You want to put some up here on my forehead?
Yeah. I got.
You're done? Which color do you want to use?
Red.
You want to use red?
Yeah.
You want me to have red eyebrows? I like to take this and draw my eyebrows.
Oh, I made out.
You messed up? Here, buddy. Try again. You see where my hair is right here?
Yeah.
Do it up more. Good job.
Okay. Oh. Oh, I did that there.
Oh, good job.
Okay, I got.
Get.
Wow, that's a big rainbow.
Which color do you want to use?
Pink.
Pink? Which pink? On my... Use as much as you want.
There you go. Give me more. Yeah, I did it.
You did it? You want more?
No, I got.
Color for my lips. What color do you want to use? That one?
Mm-hmm.
You get it out? It goes on my lips.
I do it. Oh God.
All done. Say bye to everybody.
Bye everybody. In case you're watching.